John, is that the definition of a comfortable victory?
In probably with 5 to 10 minutes to go, yes. I don't think I'm ever going to be comfortable stood on the touchline because I know how good my players are and I know how good of a football team we are, and we've played like that for the last 4 or 5 games, is my belief. Today we took our opportunities and took our chances at the right time. Scoring just before half-time always helps, because I was a bit nervous going into half-time. It would have been 0-0 because we definitely deserved a goal in the first half. So yeah, all credit and all kudos go to my players because I thought they were outstanding. 1 to 15, 16 of them, every single one of them that entered the pitch.
Callum, big 3 points for you today.
Yeah, tough conditions, but I thought the lads showed good quality, getting the ball down, trying to play when we can, and good to see the lads taking chances.
Lee, disappointing display, any complaints?
No complaints at all. I thought Connah's key were excellent from start to finish. I'm just disappointed that we didn't really lay a glove on them today.
And the momentum you had in the previous 2 games just disappeared?
Yeah, but up till half time it was 0-0, right, and they score again, right on the stroke of half time. So we're really pleased actually, because we've nullified their main threats. We've rode our luck a little bit. They've hit the post and they've got a few crosses in, and then obviously the plans to attack second half. But then again, second half they've scored 2 worldies from outside the box, and really difficult to contain them then in the afternoon.
Harry, you appear to be gaining momentum at the moment in the league.
Yeah, it's something that we're trying to build on. We've had a couple of results that haven't gone our way. But we've put in really good performances, so I think the focus today was just to kind of, put that good performance into a win and, try and build from that.
Callum West's new to this league, but he's so exciting. I think he's a wonderful footballer and we think so highly of him. And yeah, two of the goals were really good, and then Jacob Cook scores as well in his first goal, and that's a goal that he deserves because he's been brilliant for the last few weeks especially. So yeah, really happy tonight. But all this has to be is the start of a good week, because we've got 2 big games coming up with Mbala and Britain Ferry next Saturday. So 2 games in quick succession, and we have to follow this victory up today. Take
us through your goal first of all, Callum.
Obviously, far side of the box. I do like to do a little something, come inside. Obviously, just try getting as far into the far corner as possible.
And Harry, yours?
Yeah, kind of going out wide, cut inside, and then just a shot. Really, I just think I just had kind of one thing on my mind to try and get a goal within the 10 minutes I was on or so. But yeah, delighted it went in, and getting the 3 points as well.
Shaky start to the season, I'm sure you'd agree, but you appear to be quite confident and comfortable in the top 6 at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, I guess a lot of people have sort of put that towards myself. We're not happy that we lost to Carnarvon. We were the better team on the night. We had a 5-10 minute spell against Bala that we weren't very good in, where we lost the game, and we lost to TNS away. Away from that, I think we've performed especially really, really well. So I have to somewhat disagree. I have to say that my team have played really well, and I have to say that every team that comes here sets up in a different way than how they set up to every other teams. So that's credit to us, but that means we have to be tested. We are Connah's key nomads. There is an expectancy with us. There's an expectancy since Andy Morrison won the title back to back. There's an expectancy since Neil Gibson qualified us for Europe and won the Welsh Cup. But we are a club that has had a difficult 12 to 18 months. We have to forget about that now, and our players are forgetting about that because we're playing really well.